Finally, this is our first unboxing and hands-on look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And right from the unboxing, the phone gives off a very premium and refined vibe. As the box opens, we're greeted by the device itself, placed neatly on top, immediately drawing attention to its clean and minimalist design. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a flat, boxy frame with sharp edges, staying true to Samsung's Ultra identity. The color finish looks smooth and matte, reflecting light softly without being overly glossy, which adds to the premium feel. The back panel appears clean and elegant, with a strong focus on simplicity. Moving to the camera section, we can see Samsung's signature vertical camera layout. The lenses are individually placed, giving the phone a bold yet minimal look. The camera rings sit slightly raised from the back, creating a professional and serious design language that clearly tells you this is an Ultra device. From the sides, the phone looks solid and well-built. The buttons are placed cleanly and seem easy to reach, while the flat edges enhance grip and give the phone a modern, industrial feel. The overall thickness looks balanced, making the device feel sturdy without looking bulky. On the front, the display looks large, flat, and immersive, with extremely slim bezels. The centered punch-hole camera blends perfectly into the screen, keeping distractions to a minimum. Even without turning the display on, it's clear that Samsung is prioritizing a clean and immersive viewing experience, keeping things simple and minimal just like recent Samsung flagships. This unboxing reinforces Samsung's focus on premium design rather than unnecessary extras. Overall, this Galaxy S26 Ultra hands-on unboxing gives us a very close look at what Samsung might be preparing. While this unit isn't confirmed to be final or official, the design feels extremely close to a real flagship. If this is the direction Samsung is heading in, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a sleek, powerful, and very refined Ultra smartphone. So that's our first hands-on look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this design makes it to the final model, Samsung might be setting a new Ultra standard once again. Let me know what you think in the comments, and as always, peace out.